Yeah. Where did you get the pudding? You got it on your neck earlier. Yeah, right back there. Yeah. Mhm. Is it good? Is it good, Brandon? Hello? Ding dong. Yeah, Molly chewed up your spoon. Eat. Yeah. You gonna eat? Yeah, it's on your face. You're messy.
Good girl.
Yeah, good girl ate your spoon. Part of your spoon. Eat pudding.
Good girl.
Yeah, good girl was kind of bad that day. Eat. Are you done? What are you doing? What are you doing? There's a mess in there? Eat it with a spoon. No. No. Oh my goodness. Here, take a spoon. Brandon. Nick, take the spoon. Take the spoon. I give up. Ew. Ew. No, I don't want to kiss.
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga. That's right, Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Say, I love her.
I love her.
Lady Gaga. I love her. And pudding. You want? Maybe we can tell Lady Gaga to wear a pudding outfit. A pudding? You want to wear a pudding? Okay, Lady Gaga, wear a pudding outfit for Brandon.
Bye.
Oh, I can't move. Bye. Look kiss.
Bye.
Say bye, Lady Gaga.